How to create a parent account on ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see the login button along with the options like I am a parent, I am a teacher, I am a student, and I am a school leader. Select the I am a parent option. Then enter your email address and tap the continue button. Next, enter your first name, last name, and create a secure password. Once done, tap on create free account. After creating your account, you can join your child's class by entering the unique class code provided by your teacher. This will allow you to view class update, student progress, and messages from the teacher. You can add multiple children to your account if they are in different classes or schools. Make sure to explore the app's features such as classroom announcement, messaging teachers, and tracking your child's behavior and progress. These tools helps you stay actively involved in your child's learning journey. Now you know how to create a parent account on ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.